everyone, welcome back to RapidDirect channel. I'm Emily. Today I'm here in our sheet metal fabrication workshop. At the left behind me is one of our laser cutting machine. A question we get asked a lot is how thin you can cut. Well, in today's video, I will explain it for you. At RapidDirect, we use bigger laser cutting machines for sheet metal cutting. This machine blasts a high-energy laser beam through fiber optic through materials with impressive speed and precision. They are one of the most widely used cutting tools in the industry today. Our fiber laser ranges from 500 watts to 12,000 watts, and the thickness you can cut depends on their wattage. Higher wattage allows for cutting thinner materials, although the speed up may be slower. Lower wattage is ideal for thin sheets. It causes faster production, cleaner edges, and causes less thermal distortion. So, how thin can we go with fiber laser cutting? Well, it depends on the material. For carbon steels and stainless steels, we can cut up to 24 mm. For aluminum, it can cut up to 20 mm. As for copper, it is 12 mm. This material is highly reflective and conductive, so needs acid gases like oxygen or nitrogen to help push the cutting process. If handling with thickness parts, for titanium alloys, it can be up to 10 mm. Bonus! What if you're working with non-metal materials like acrylic? In that case, you will need a carbon dioxide laser cutting machine. Unlike fiber laser, carbon dioxide laser uses a gas mixture to cut non-metallic material like acrylic or wood. With a carbon dioxide laser, you can typically cut acrylic up to 25 mm thin and as thin as 1 mm. But be careful, cutting acrylic products touch fuels, so proper ventilation is essential. Laser cutting is often an initial process in sheet metal fabrication. It transplants sheet metal into custom machines. If you're working with a sheet metal project and wondering how we can help, feel free to contact us. At RapidDirect, we offer one-stop solutions and expert support for your project. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and share with your team. And subscribe for more insight from RapidDirect groups. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next time. Bye!